Hey YouTube, welcome back to another episode. Today we are going to talk about the Pokemon Go hack on iOS and Android. Before we start guys, subscribe to the channel, would be really amazing if you want to see more of these videos. As you can see here, I have a Pokemon Go Spoofer. I can tap to walk, I can use Pokemon Go joystick to move across the map. You can also adjust the speed of your movement. This Pokemon Go hack also has teleport option, dark mode and many other cool stuff. As you can see, if you go to the settings, it's called iPo Go Spoofer. Here you have many cool options such as incognito mode and dark mode only for maps. So this is the best Pokemon Go hack right now, and I'm gonna show you right here how to teleport. You just type any location you want to move into your map, then you press search, you choose the place you want to teleport, hold your thumb on the screen, and as you can see, this menu pop up and you can teleport to any location in Pokemon Go in 2022. So guys, be sure to watch this video till the end to learn how to hack Pokemon Go and how to get Pokemon Go hack in 2022. I'm showing you this on my iPhone, but this works on Android devices as well. This works on the newest version of iOS 16, and today I'm going to show you how you can actually get it in just a couple of minutes. So guys, to download Pokemon Go hack, you should open your web browser and visit this page right here called itweak.com. Be sure to land on the proper website. As you can see right here, I'm gonna type it right now with you guys, so be sure to land on the proper website. On this page you can get many cool stuff for both iOS and Android, and I highly recommend you to watch this video till the end carefully so you don't miss any crucial step for installing this Pokemon Go hack, because there are few catches that you have to do, so be sure to watch this video till the end. So usually on the top of the page is Pokemon Go hack, even though you have the search bar if you cannot find it, if it's moved somewhere else. Here it says GPS spoofer joystick, and right now this whole process is starting. Again, be sure to land on the proper website. This is gonna take you a couple of minutes, so be sure to sit tight and watch this video till the end to learn how to get Pokemon Go hack iOS Android 2022. So in this episode I'm gonna show you exactly step by step how to do it. So right now we are going to come to the next page where it says that thanks to sponsors all tutorials are free, and to keep them free we have to download 2 sponsored applications, and then we're gonna follow instructions for each app, and then we are going to come to the final part of the tutorial, and there is no more ads there. Everything is pretty quick to finish and to learn how to get Pokemon Go hack. This is essential step guys, and this is really easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do 2 of these, and these apps might be different, depends from which country you are coming, but all of these are on the similar principle and they are easy to do. All these apps are from the official app store. For example, this one says to download this game and then reach village 3, that's like level 3 inside of the game. As you can see, official app store game, over 500,000 ratings, so it's completely safe. And I was playing this before, I even came to the village number 6, so that's easy guys. As you can see, you don't have to come to the village number 6, village 3 is enough, but the information that I got to the village number 6 is actually showing you that it's really easy to do. So all you have to do is to do these upgrades, and when this green bar reach the end, you are moved to the next village. And to get coins for these upgrades, you just do these spins. You can collect coins or get chance to get other people's coins, so you spend coins, and when you come to the village 3 you are done. You go back to this page, and then we are gonna do the second one. For example, this one says to download the app and run it for 30 seconds. That's extremely easy to do, so just to download the application, open it, and then you are gonna spend some time inside of it. You spend half minute inside of the app. I'm gonna pause until it's downloaded. So it's downloaded guys, and we just open the app and try to stay there for half a minute. I'm usually doing some interactions right here. Try to tap on anything, you don't have to register or anything like that, but try to do as many things you can do inside of the app, just to be sure that the application recognizes your activity and that it recognizes that you have spent a half minute inside of the app. So after you spend half minute, if you want to be sure, you can stay a little bit longer, maybe a minute or 2, but 30 seconds should be enough. And this is the last step to get Pokemon Go Spoofer in 2022. After you do that, you go to the page, refresh your page, and if you did everything right, you will come to this final part of the tutorial. There is no more ads here, everything is separated by which device and time steps, and really fast you can get Pokemon Go hack for iOS and Android in 2022. These apps that you downloaded, you can delete them, you don't have to keep them, And that's it guys, subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and see you in the next one. Bye.